In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Web4Realty referral profile. So when you make an account, they're going to ask you for your basic information. Please make sure it's accurate. But what's very important is when you get to the screen, which asks for your payment details, which I'll show you right here, you need to set up a PayPal account. So before you continue, you're going to go to paypal.com and you're going to hit sign up. Make sure you set yourself up as a personal account on the left. And again, you're going to enter some basic details. So you can see me here. I'm just filling out my information. You can opt in to receive newsletters, which you'll see at the bottom here, and stay logged in. That's very important. Once you agree and create your account, you have to verify your phone number. So they'll send you a code on your cell phone. Just plug that code right into the system. Now, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is link your credit card, but we're not using PayPal to pay for things. We're using PayPal to get paid. So what you're going to do is hit skip. Now, it's very important here that you're going to link your bank instead. So you can call your bank and figure out your transit and institution number, or you can go directly to your online banking and open up a direct deposit form, and the numbers will be right there. So once you have your numbers, you're going to go back to the PayPal page and enter those values. Of course, I'm blurring them out for privacy reasons. Once you're done and you've plugged in all the numbers, you're going to hit the link bank button. So we're going to link our bank. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your bank account, but it takes about 3 business days. So don't worry about it. Just continue on and you now are officially a PayPal member. Open the Web4Realty referral tab back to the screen you were on and enter the email address you set up with PayPal. So whatever you use for PayPal to sign up, that's the email you use. And voila, you are now officially part of the Web4Realty referral program. That means we can figure out exactly who you're referring, and for everyone that converts, we pay $25 cash with no limit. So to get your referral link, you're going to click on the assets button, and right there you will have your unique link to web4realty.com, but this will track all the conversions. So any colleague that you refer using this link, whether you copy the link by clicking that button or sharing it on social media, anybody who joins the Web4Realty subscription through that link is tracked to your name. So we're able to pay you out on those referrals. So they would sign up, for example, for a free trial. We'd reach out to them, and if they sign up, boom, you've earned a commission, just like you see in this example here. Now the commissions are put to your PayPal account, and from PayPal they will transfer to your bank automatically. But again, you need to confirm your bank, which I said happens in a few days. So after a few days, when you go to PayPal, click the confirm button, and it's going to ask you to write out 2 deposits that they've put into your account. These deposits are only a few cents. So when you click the confirm bank button, go to your online banking and look at your recent transactions, and you'll see PayPal MSP, and there will be 2 values. So you just plug in those 2 values, as you can see I'm doing here. And once you've plugged in these values, your bank is now synced to PayPal. So any money that goes to PayPal will then be going to your checking or savings account, or whichever account you've confirmed. So thank you so much for being a part of the referral program. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.